just going to cover the base of our little heart-shaped cake here with some soft pink buttercream. This colour is raspberry from Loyal's new range of gel colours. Just slowly add on your buttercream and just smooth it on. Just a nice back and forth motion with your offset spatula here. And just working it into the center of the heart shape there. Keep smoothing it around. Make sure you've got enough coverage to go the full height of the sides of the cake. Okay, add a bit more on if you think you might be a little bit lacking. Okay, then we'll just give it a once over with our scraper. And just check and see if you've got any gaps that need a bit more filling in. Add some more buttercream. We will be piping an edge along the bottom and along the top. So just keep that in mind while you are smoothing on your buttercream. I'd rather have a little bit extra on top, and then we'll literally just smooth it on towards the center of the cake there. Okay, just go around once again. Just try to keep your scraper as vertical as possible, as straight. Just so you can see a little bit of our base here, so we'll just give that a bit of extra buttercream. Same on this side. Just gently go around and in for the heart shape, and then back out again. One last go on the side here, I think. Very gently. There we go. And then we'll just use our offset spatula here just to drag the edge up onto the cake. And each time we do it, we just clean off the excess of our palette knife on our bowl. We'll just try and define that little heart shape a little bit more. Yep, that shall do for now. Perfect. I do just have a little clear plastic smoother here, whereas I'll just lightly go over the edge here. Beautiful, that just blends it in a little bit more. Okay, so now for the decorating. I'll just prepare another piping bag and I'll see you shortly. So now we're going to pipe a nice shell border on the base of our cake here. So we're using the same colour buttercream, and we have a piping tip Loyal number 21 in there. And we'll just start. So it's just a squeeze, up and over, release. Squeeze, up and over, release. Okay, so you can either decide to pull right off in between each shell or make it more of a continuous action. Just keep slowly going around the base of your cake. Okay, just keeping constant pressure on your bag from your hand up the top here. Okay, and then I just guide it with my lower hand into position. Just make sure you're always angling out from your cake so that you don't knock your cake with your bag at all. Okay, and now we're going to continue a row across the top of our cake as well. So again, we'll just start in the, check your center of your heart. About here for this one. And then start with the same kind of border. Okay, and slowly work your way around. Okay, so slow, even pressure. Squeeze down your piping bag as you use all your buttercream. Okay. Keep coming around towards the back now. Okay, there we have our little heart outline. And now we're going to infill our design here. We might even make it a little bit more defined, just with an extra little shell. Coming up like that. Okay, so now we've also got a darker pink. Okay, this has got a number 33 loyal tip in situ. Okay, and then we'll finish off with some little leaves as well. Okay, and that's a little 352 loyal tip. So we're going to start just popping little rosettes. Okay, so just at random. They can be some larger, some smaller. And we'll go back and infill with our original piping tip and light colour buttercream, and then finish off with our leaves. So keep going around. Okay, just nice even pressure. Just do a mix of small and large rosettes. Okay, so you want the majority of the cake covered, because then it literally is just infill with the lighter colour buttercream and the leaves. Now we love using our signature buttercream. So if you'd like to grab our recipe, you can either just comment buttercream on Instagram if you're following us over there, or we'll pop the link below in the comments and you'll be able to find the direct link to purchase on our website. Okay, so we'll stop there for the moment with our darker colour and go back to our lighter colour, and we're just going to do little drop flowers, little stars. Okay, just some little, some big, just to fill in the little gaps. And keep going around. Okay, just keep your nozzle tip close to the cake, because you want it all to sit at relatively the same height. You don't want to do a huge dollop and bring it all the way out. And as you're going through, just decide if you want to do any more of the darker pink in an area as well, if you need a couple of extra rosettes. Okay. Have a look from all angles just to make sure you have filled in all the gaps. But you don't want to see the base cake through any tiny little holes. Oh, that is so pretty. Okay, and now we'll just go back and add in some tiny little leaves. Okay, so more so against our dark pink. So just hold your nozzle upright like that. So it's like a beak, like a duck beak. Okay, so point it in, squeeze it gently, release and pull out. Okay, so just against your darker pink rosettes, just a little squeeze and release. Okay, you just want these to be fairly small and petite. And pop around in different directions. Keep going around. I'll just pop that little bit down. Okay, and then we have our sweet little heart cake. So, thanks for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed making your little heart cake. Okay, with our two-toned buttercream, nice shades of pinks and green leaves, perfect for you to enjoy now. So remember, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to also hit on the little bell button so you'll be notified every time we pop a new video out. And we'd love to see what you create. So feel free to comment below if you've got any questions or pop some photos of anything you've made. We would love to hear from you. All right, take care and I'll see you next time.